So how to make a protective bed for your seedlings. So I've just planted a whole lot of seedlings here and I want to protect them because there are all sorts of animals that can come and get to them. So birds can be a big problem, rats, maybe you've got some roaming other animals. For us at the moment we have some roaming wild guinea pigs who are coming and eating them. So I have built this very quick and easy structure to protect the seedlings. So what you need is 4 posts. So I've got some starpickets, but you can do it with just wood, planks of wood, or anything like that that you can find. You can also use small bits of wood and have a poly pipe over the top. So 4 of those, some net, bang a post into each corner, spread the net over, tuck it in, put some things, I've got some wood here, a brick to protect it, tuck it all in around the edges, and voila, you've got a protective netted area to protect your little seedlings while they're just new and just growing.